Welcome back. It's that time of year again, summertime, and the bugs are buzzing. Some curious little ones venture to Natchez Trace for some up-close lessons on these wild insects. WCBI's Chad Groening has the latest.
It was a walk in the park, but this park was the Natchez Trace National Parkway, and Park Ranger Kristen Schwartz gave visitors a special tour. It was part of the monthly Read with a Ranger program, held every second Saturday of the month, designed to educate the public, particularly children, about the natural wonder of the area. The program started inside, as Schwartz read, Under One Rock.
And it is about all the insects that you can find just under one rock, and so it's all about communities. And communities can be very small, they can be found under one rock, or they can be very large and maybe a prairie habitat, a woodland habitat. So you can look all around and find all these different communities.
And Schwartz says it is important for young children to understand how important the insect community is to the rest of us.
We all rely on each other, animals rely on each other, we rely on animals, and so this kind of introduces that concept that everything's connected, everything's part of a community, they all need to help each other, and so insects have a very important role in the ecosystem, and without them we have big differences or drastic changes in the environment.
And Schwartz discussed the important role of pollinators.
And pollinators are actually struggling right now, and without pollinators we don't get flowers, and without flowers we don't get the beautiful grasslands that and the beautiful prairie that we have here. We have butterflies and bees, those are the big ones. A lot of people don't like bees because sometimes they might sting, but honeybees don't sting and they're big pollinators. Bees are struggling right now, so the more honey we want to make, the more demand there is. Hopefully the bees will be protected.
And Schwartz says there is one major enemy to the insect community.
Problems that pollinators are facing are chemicals, herbicides and pesticides. When they come out, they either kill the plants that they're going for, or they actually kill the insects. And it's a big problem, and the communities, the insect communities, have been suffering from that.
And immediately after she finished reading, before their hike in the woods, Schwartz gave the children a chance to plant their own native plant seeds and take them home. She says the plants will encourage pollination in their own backyards. Chad Groening, WCBI News, Tupelo.
The Natchez Trace Visitor Center says that they have some kind of activity there every Saturday.